Do you have a skin condition that makes you feel conscious about your skin? Well, this is one of the questions I got today from Caitlin, who said, how do I make my acne look less obvious? But it also works for rosacea or any other skin condition where you feel like your skin is standing out in a way that you don't want it to. So the key here is to wear more colour, to wear patterns and to wear colours, because when we are wearing patterns and colours, that actually distracts from what is going on your skin. So if you don't have really clear, smooth skin, wearing plain single coloured outfits or neutrals are even worse because they make the colour in your skin more obvious. Instead, what we want to do is wear more colour. So it's the difference is what we see. So we notice when we are wearing lots of colours that we are, that there is kind of, the brain sees the harmony between the colours and the skin. So it kind of notices that the skin is patterned and coloured less than when you are wearing one colour or a neutral and everything is smooth and plain, that we notice the difference. So if you have acne, if you have rosacea, if you have a lot of age spots, anything like that, think about wearing patterns, particularly busy patterns, not really ordered patterns like stripes. They're not as good because they're more ordered and your skin is a less ordered pattern. But think about, florals and leopard prints and polka dots and any sort of kind of swirly all over paisley, sort of kind of all over prints that are a little bit more random or more haphazard. So think about patterns because your skin has a pattern, and think about wearing colour. And often this is where multiple coloured patterns really hold themselves well, is because when we have that, the brain kind of just sees that everything goes together, particularly when, of course, it's in your colour palette. That is also going to make a difference. So if you're wearing colours that are unrelated to your colouring, we get a clashing between the skin and the colours, versus when you are wearing a colour, a pattern or a colour in your colours, then it all feels in harmony. And so the brain kind of just bypasses it. We just don't notice it that much. So this is where if you have acne, rosacea, or any sort of skin condition where you feel like your skin is more obvious in a way that you don't want it to be, wear patterns and colours and multicoloured patterns. That is the biggest tip I can give you today.